so before we get started, let's just take a look at the tofu. Now, it comes in different varieties. When I say varieties, I mean consistencies. So you want something like this. This is a firm one, firm or hard. It says right there, ideal for frying. We're going to be frying this one. Some of them are really soft, you know, like a jelly in your hand. That's used for different things, but you need a firm one for this. It will come in some water, so drain that off. And then what I like to do is I like to just press it out. What I mean by that is I will get a tea towel, cover it, put a weight on it like a chopping board in a bag of flour or something, you know, and then just leave it for like 10 minutes and a lot of water will come out of it. You want to get it as dry as you can. You can cut it into any size that you like, long chip kind of things, little cubes, whatever, and then it's ready for frying. We've got quite a lot of moisture out of that. That's now beautiful. Now, cut that into any size that you want, small little bits, long strips, like I say, that's ready for frying. We're gonna fry that now. You can shallow fry, you can deep fry, it's up to you. Hot oil, about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on the size that you've cut it. Nice golden brown on the outside, nice and soft in the middle. Okay, so there you go. You can see I've done 2 lots, nice little bits like that. And some bigger ones here. And like I say, nice and golden brown. And beautifully soft in the middle. Tastes delicious. Okay, let's get moving. Okay, so all our hard work is done with the tofu. Now I've used this really kind of small type. You can do it how you want. Little salad, beautiful. So we're gonna go white cabbage, carrots, radish, some French beans or long beans, green beans, cilantro, green onions or spring onions, some bell peppers, ginger, cucumber, and here I've got sesame seed oil and lemon juice. It's very, very simple, this one. I mean, you can play around with these veggies, of course, add some different stuff if you wanted. Simply, we're going to give that a mix. So, white cabbage, there's quite a lot of the white cabbage. That's the bulk of the salad. And then we can go cucumber, French beans. Now these are raw. If you wanted, you could blanch them a little bit. Carrot. Radish. Green onions. Bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there. Ginger, cut nice and thin, beautiful to crunch into that. The cilantro. And then just a little bit of lemon or lime juice. Sesame oil, which gives it a nice kind of nutty flavour. Hit that with some black pepper. And then at the end, we're going to go a little bit of salt. So everything's in there except for the tofu. Let's give that a mix. Okay, so that salad's had a nice little mix, beautiful stuff. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to just sprinkle our tofu, whatever you call it, on the top. You can mix it in if you want, but I just think it looks nice for presentation there. And I didn't show this earlier, but I'm just going to go for some sorted peanuts, or you could use some cashews if you want. Now, if you want, you could crush them a little bit and get them in there, but that's beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Helps us out a great deal. Subscribe and do leave us a comment and let us know how you're getting on. Hope you're well, hope you're safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.